So hello everyone and welcome to this video where it talks about how to evaluate limit at infinity. So let's proceed. So how can we evaluate limit at x approaches to infinity of 5x plus 7 over 3x minus 4? So before I proceed, I just want to remind you that the limit as approaches to infinity at any large number for any function where the degree of the denominator exceeded the numerator, that will always be 0. So notice at this example, the numerator and denominator has the same degree of 1. So we're gonna divide the top and the bottom of 1 over x. So it's gonna be limit as x approaches to infinity, 5x over x plus 7 over x over 3x over x minus 4 over x. 5x over x, the numerator and denominator has the same degree, so it's gonna be 5, 1. Plus 7 over x, because the denominator has the highest degree, it's gonna be 0. 3x over x, they have the same degree, the denominator and the numerator, so it's gonna be 3 times 1 over minus 0, because the denominator has the highest degree. So 5 times 1 equals 5 over 3 times 1 is 3. So we have now the answer, final answer, which is 5 over 3. So now let's proceed to another example. So how to evaluate limit as x approaches to positive infinity, x squared plus 7x plus 10 over x minus 4. So notice in this example, the denominator has the highest degree of 5. And the numerator has the highest degree of 2. So the denominator has the highest degree. Anytime that the denominator has the highest degree, if we have the limit of infinity, it's going to be equal to 0. So if we try to solve it, it will gonna be, so multiply the top and the bottom to 1 over x, 1 over x, so it will gonna be limit as x approaches to infinity, x squared over x5 plus 7 x over x5 plus 10 over x5 over x5 over x5 minus 4 over x5. So this will gonna be equal to 0 because the denominator has the highest degree and this will also become 0 because of the denominator and this also will gonna be 0 over this will gonna be 1 minus 0, and this will be equal to 0. So we have now the answer of this example. So let's proceed to another example. So how we gonna evaluate limit as x approaches to infinity of x4 plus 7 over 3x squared minus 4. So notice in this example that the numerator has the highest degree of 4 and the denominator has the highest degree of 2. So if we solve it, it will gonna be limit as x approaches to infinity x4, we will divide the whole equation to 1 over x squared. So x4 over x squared plus 7 over x squared over 3x squared over x squared minus 4 over x squared. So this will become x squared plus 0 over 3 1 minus 0. Substitute the value of x, which is infinity, and 3 times 1 over 3. Infinity over 3 is basically infinity. So the answer for this limit is infinity. So that's all for this video.